B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, poop.
Q,
I
R,
poop.
S,
S, O, I poop.
T, T, U,
You pooped.
V,
B, now we know
W, X.
X, Y, and poop Z.
Now.
I know my poopy ABCs. Oh, 9, 10, 11, pooped. Mommy,
Can you sing the Days of the Week song?
the road to poop.
Monday.
No.
Isn't it? No. No fingers in your nose, Zaid. That's gross. Okay. Can you tell me about the rocket ship?
Rocket ship.
Huh? Tell me a story about the rocket ship museum today.
I pooped in my nappy there.
Oh, no, you don't wear a nappy, silly. Yellow silly boo, tell me all about the rocket ship museum. Fingers out. Tell me about the rocket ship museum.
There were babies in it.
No. What kind of babies?
Poopy baby pooped in the nappy.
Huh. What else?
And then pooped in the toilet.
And they pooped in their what?
Pull-ups.
Seriously? Oh, careful.